Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Part A, differentiating the equation 6xy equals 2 plus y cubed implicitly with respect to x gives 6y plus 6x dy dx. Terms to solve for the derivative yields dy dx times 3y squared minus 6x equals 6y, which simplifies to dy dx equals 2y over tangent dy dx equals 0, so 2y equals 0. Substituting y equals 0 into 6xy equals 2 plus y cubed gives 0 equals 2, which is impossible. Part C. For a vertical tangent, the denominator y squared minus 2x equals 0, so x equals y squared over 2. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.